Yes! Naka-upgrade na ako ng Maya account. Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you on how to upgrade Maya account. Ang dali lang guys, just follow this step-by-step tutorial. Alright, let's start after this intro. Bago ka maka-upgrade ng Maya account ay dapat meron kang valid ID. Make sure na hindi pa ito expired at siguraduhin din na stable ang iyong internet connection. Okay, so let's start. First, open your Maya app at mag-login. Once you're here sa iyong Maya home screen, ay itap mo na ang iyong profile icon. As you can see, basic account pa po ako, pero mamaya is upgraded na po ito. Alright, so para maka-upgrade na tayo ay i-click mo na ang upgrade now. At ito yung benefits once upgraded na ang iyong Maya account. I-click mo lang ito to see all benefits. And here are the 3 easy steps para maka-upgrade ka na ng iyong Maya account. Submit your ID, record a video selfie, and enter your personal information. Para makita ang list of valid IDs, ay i-click itong which IDs can I use. At ito po ang mga recommended primary IDs, national ID, e-fill ID, driver's license, UMID, passport, postal ID, PRC and SSS ID. For foreigners ay pwede po gumamit ng foreign passport. Meron ding ibang primary IDs tulad ng NBI clearance. For foreigners, meron din. For 17 years old and below, pwede ang school ID. Meron ding secondary IDs tulad ng PhilHealth ID, Voters ID, Teen ID, Senior Citizen Card, Police Clearance, GSIS Card, and OWA ID. Okay, so i-close ko na ito. Alright, so kapag ready ka na, ay i-click mo na ang Let's Go. First is submit an ID. Click mo lang yung available ID mo. Scroll down kung wala dito, at kung wala pa rin dito, ay i-click ang Show More IDs. Pero for me, ang gagamitin ko is National ID. Kapag nakaselect ka na ng ID, ay i-click ang Continue. Now, take an ID photo. Picturan ang iyong valid ID. Ito po ang mga tips kung paano mag-picture ng valid ID. Just follow the tips para wala po magiging problema. Alright, so kung ready ka na, i-click ang Continue. Pindutin ang Enable Camera. Allow Maya to access the camera to take photos or videos. Click Allow. Okay, so make sure na clear yung pag-picture mo ng iyong valid ID and make sure na ang buong ID ay fully inside the frame. Now, to take an ID photo ay pindutin ang camera button. Ngayon is picturean ang front of valid ID. To capture, pindutin ang camera button. Alright, so all good na ba? Kung clear ang iyong ID, ay i-click ang Use this photo. Pero kung hindi ka satisfied, ay pwede mong i-click ang Retake. Pero for me, okay na to, so I'll click this one. Next is picturean ang back of your ID. Again, kung sa tingin mo ay hindi ka satisfied sa pag-picture mo kasi hindi clear, so pwede mong i-click ang Retake. Pero kung okay ka na, pindutin ang Use this photo. Next is take a video selfie. Okay, so ito ang kanilang tips kung paano mag-video selfie. Dapat okay yung lighting mo, plain ang background, take off all your face accessories like eyeglasses, face mask, at dapat solo ka rin sa video selfie mo. So now, pindutin ang Continue. Enable Media Access. Click Allow. Okay, so to proceed, click Start Verification. Okay, so madali lang mag-video selfie guys. Okay, so come closer ka lang and then blink your eye. So now, tell us about yourself. Make sure na ang ilagay mo na personal information ay pareho sa valid ID mo. Pasensya guys kung blur siya o di siya malinaw kasi screenshot lang po ito from other creators sa kanilang previous tutorials. kasi parang di na pwede mag-screen record ngayon dito sa part na to, pero kailangan kong mapakita ito for the tutorial purposes. Okay, so first, ilagay mo ang iyong work. Ano ang iyong nature of work? No? Select ka lang dyan. For me, piliin ko ang freelance. And then, mag-select ka rin ng source of income. Ang full name ay automatic na yan dahil sa nasend mo na valid ID. Ang nationality, of course, Philippines. Ang date of birth ay automatic na rin. Then, ilagay mo ang iyong place of birth, select country, and enter your birthplace. I-enter mo rin ang iyong current address, country, your state or province, city, barangay, house number, and zip code. Yung ID details ay automatic na rin dahil nga sa nasend mo na valid ID. Pero dapat ay i-double check mo kung wala bang mali. To proceed, click Continue. Alright, all good na ba? Please make sure everything's okay. Pero kung may i-edit ka, ay pindutin ang check again. Pero kung okay na lahat, i-click mo na ang Continue. Are you a US person? Pindutin ang No, I'm not a US person. Employed by Maya or Maya Bank? Pindutin ang I have nothing to declare. After that, i-click ang Continue. Alright, so we're done. Pero under review pa ang application ko. I-click itong View Details. Okay, as you can see, account under review. Once your upgrade application is approved, you will receive an SMS confirmation within 24 hours. Alright, so after a few hours or I think 9 hours, ay upgraded na ang aking Maya account. So, nag-check ako sa updates at ayan, your Maya account has been upgraded. Ang kagandahan kapag upgraded na ang iyong account ay magagamit mo na ang lahat ng features ni Maya. At ito ang mga benefits kapag upgraded na ang iyong Maya account. Higher wallet limit, send money to other banks and wallets, access to more financial services, bill payments and remittances, and exclusive offers and rewards, and many more. And that's all for today's tutorial. Sana ay ma-upgrade mo na rin ang iyong Maya account. If you learned from this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe now. Alright, thanks for watching. God bless, and always remember, live, learn, inspire, value, and enjoy life.